Just sit right back and hear a tale of Jillian Michaels' trip. The Italian yacht she booked turned out to be a rip. Cracks and rust and molded holes and no AC to boot. The crew refused to let her go until they got more loot. Here on Jillian's pile of crap.
Jillian Michaels from Biggest Loser rented a yacht in Italy on the Amalfi Coast. On the pictures she saw, it looked really nice.
Nice! And for $60K a week, it better be. But when Jillian boarded the yacht, she found
rust all over the doors, holes in the wood. It looked like black mold in some of the boat. Ooh.
And we're not done, because according to Jillian,
no hot water, the Wi-Fi didn't work. And it got scary because the crew started demanding money for fuel. The crew wouldn't dock until they got paid.
That is scary though.
So scary, Jillian shot this video while waiting for the crew to clear a basket of breakfast pastries.
Hey, no me.
We need to record the conversation because if you are not pulling a scam, because this needs to be recorded.
Bust.
No.
The broker that set all this up told her that they needed more fuel money because of the mafia in Capri.
The Capri Mafia? Now that's scary!
Eventually they did go to the dock. She tried to contact the State Department and the FBI.
What's the State Department gonna do? My yacht's got rust. I mean, she paid, and now you go to small claims court in Italy.
The People's Court in
I
Italy.
love that.
Every judge speaks like, hey!
Hey, shut up in your face! This is serious! So take care, Jillian. We're glad you're okay.
I'm the captain now.
We just have a funny way of showing it. We're TMZ. If you like our vibe, click on that button and hit subscribe. We'll send you more.